right now. There's a lot of noise, you can see. I don't know what's going on. Today is January 27, 2017. I'm about to take shower, but suddenly this happened. See that? I don't know what's going on. See, there's more. A lot of fire truck here. I don't know what's this commotion right here. There's some big ass issue going on. Ano nangyayari? Ano ginagawa?
Pag-uusap. Napapunta ka lang pati. Ang dami.
Pinaalis?
Pinalis ko.
Eh bakit pinaalis?
Sabi nung pandan na eh.
Eh ba't may ganong gulo?
Umusok ka dun sa baba. Tsaka maraming sumawan.
Ayun, battalion chief, nanonood pa. Yan, yung puting kotse na yan.
Ayun.
Yan ang commander ng fire truck. Basta ang mga ganyan sasakyan, yan ang supervisor.
Ang dami yung sa gate.
Eh sino yung in-check na yun na sumisay niya?
Nakita tayo nakaganon. Nga tanong niya.
Ay God, paano natin makikita? Well, what a day, huh? The time is 8:20. Right there. Okay then. You know, I'm hungry. I need to take shower, but this alarm, man, so loud. Okay then. Adios.